Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Blue color, blue color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow ochre color. T, H, R, W, 3. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F, O, U, R, 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use blue color. Blue color. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use blue color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use brown color. Brown color. S, E, V, E and 7. Kids again use brown color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.